What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Queezy, man, back again with another exclusive video, man. Today we got an exclusive unboxing. And if for y'all that don't know, my birthday is coming up on September the 5th, and I had to go get me a new watch, man. I've been searching and searching and searching, like, I'm talking about night and day, trying to figure out what's the best affordable everyday watch, you know what I'm saying? Not just as a good, not just as a good birthday celebration watch, but something that I can wear every day when it's not my birthday, you know what I'm saying? Something I can just wear when I'm running out to run errands with the family, you know what I'm saying? Car shows, car meets, movies, dates, whatever with my lady, you know what I'm saying? So I found the best watch, the best budget watch, and this watch right here is under $50, bro. Under $100, bro. Like I said, I searched night and day and I came across this watch, bro. Let's get into the unboxing, man. Hold on. First of all, let me go ahead and get the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get into it. I've been shopping from Amazon a lot lately, bro. I'm talking about truck parts, parts for myself or whatever. But this is the case. This is the case of the box. And this is the model number for y'all who looking to get y'all a good budget watch, an everyday watch, you know what I'm saying? MDV 106-1A. That's the code that's on Amazon. It's a Casio, as y'all can see. And okay, already, it's a little rip in the box, but it's okay. I'm not tripping on that. I'm not tweaking on that, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna unbox it like this right here, and we gonna go boom. You see what I'm saying? Ooh-wee. Now, it looked like a Rolex now, y'all. It looked like a roly-poly-oly, but let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Okay, so I like the box because it's just a slide out. You see what I'm saying? And I'm going to just rip the plastic off. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to be acting brand new for my birthday. You get what I'm saying? And here we go. We got the Casio Duro watch. You know what I'm saying? That's the name for it. But like I said, right here, or I already gave y'all the code, the serial number, whatever you want to call it, that you got to look up when you looking for it. But this is the Casio Duro watch. It's a dive watch. It's 200 meters, I think, waterproof, I believe. So, I mean, it could take a deep amount of water, man. But at the end of the day, they say you can beat this watch up. They say you can pretty much put this watch through the woodwork and it's still gonna work. You know what I'm saying? This is Casio, so you know this is a very well trusted brand. And I mean, I'm pretty sure that I'm at least gonna get 5 to 10 years plus out of this watch. You get what I'm saying? Back in the day, when I was growing up, I used to rock a lot of Casios in middle school. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to get my, get my feet wet, early, get into the watch game, man. So, but here we go, man. We got the Casio Duro. Yeah, a little close up on it. This is a beautiful watch. Like, it really looks like a Rolex. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And like I said, this isn't just for my birthday. This is an everyday watch, a pop-out outside watch. You know what I'm saying? Business meetings, car shows, family functions, whatever. This is gonna be my go-to watch now. And I might get all the colors. I'm definitely gonna change the band eventually, but right now the band will go. But yes, sir, this is it. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and go to Amazon.com and go get y'all a Casio Duro, man. Go get you a Casio Duro. If you don't believe me, do your research on TikTok, do your research on YouTube, do your research on Google. This is the best watch. Now, I'm going to be honest. It was really out of this and the Invicta, but what I was reading, some of the Invictas, they got little issues where water was getting in the bezels of the watches and this, that, and the third. So I just said, you know what? I can't do that. I can't deal with that. I need something that I know if I'm about to go jump in 200 meters of water, my watch is going to be straight. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go Casio, man. But once again, thank y'all for liking, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'll see y'all in the next video, man. It's Queezy. It's a beautiful watch.